Didi, Dida, Didi Monday, Dida.
Hello guys, what's up? It's Didi's Dida channel Didi Banky Dida. So today I am going to show how to
Write 9-band essay for writing Task-1. Today we will focus on types of diagrams, titles of diagram, tense recognition and language of change.
There are two types of diagrams. Chart and graph. First one is example of chart and second one is of pie chart. Now proceeding to the titles. There are 6 different titles are available. First one is bar, next is line, picture, pie, process, and last one is table.
Let's start tense recognition. Comprehend the question statement to find out the time as based on the time tense can be easily recognized. Seek the keywords such as survey or study or project which make it easy for any candidate to know the tense to be used. Survey must have the words such as consequence, result, which will make it clear that past tense is supposed to be used. Study is generally recognized by words such as typical, usual, which make it vivid that present tense has to be used. Project is usually understood by the terms estimation, prediction, assumption, which make it lucid to use future tense. Now coming to our last part, that is language of change.
4 keywords are used to change the pattern in order to successfully write an IELTS Task-1 graph. These words help candidates to form the comparison along with a description. Increase, rise, go up, inclined, climb, gain, decrease, drop, dip, fall, declined, slump, constant, stable, same, reached a plateau, fluctuation, vary, fall, later, practically similar, identical, akin, opposite, paradoxical,